All right. Well, because we have this bank coming up from the creek that rises fairly quickly, I just want to take advantage of that and be able to have something fairly low that I think will survive going over it. And every half metre I can see them from up the bank and be able to report with a number rather than just some sort of vague description, be able to say what height
Fantastic.
the creek is here. And I guess given a bit of history, we'll get to know what the heights here mean.
Terrific. Ian, can you tell us how you actually got these levels? Because that says 2 metres, so that's above the normal stream level that we've got here.
Yeah.
How did you go about getting that?
Well, I started with the 1 metre mark and just used a metre high ruler and used a string and like a builder's level hanging off the string.
Terrific.
So that gave me my metre, and then I just measured off that every half metre.
And so this is something that anyone can do. And how long are those stakes that you've driven into the ground?
Well, possibly not long enough. But the idea, I could put more substantial stakes in at a later date.
But currently, if you could show us their length.
I guess there's something like that.
Okay, great.
But I don't think they'll catch much here because everything else sort of survived, even the big flood. So I'm fairly optimistic that most of them will survive.
And that's a luminescent. You got a luminescent number so that you can see them in the dark.
Yeah, they do glow.
Yeah. And what I like about this is you've got it so that you can retreat up here. So, as the water's rising, you've got another one here at 2.5.
Yeah, you can stay well above the water level.
And then it goes right up to 3, and it continues up the bank.
Than you are there.
So that's 4. So, you've got is that a luminescent marker for the big flood?
Yeah.
4.5.
Sort of round about there. I don't know exactly.
Okay, so that's really great. Thanks for showing us, Ian. It's just a really well thought out. Anyone can DIY this system if they've got a suitable place on their creek. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.